Hey you guys, so I wanted to take a step back from how-tos and get into goals. So I attended a vision board party hosted by my good friend Lynda Ward. You could see more about her and my business in the comment section below. But she hosts a vision board party annually. And I thought to myself, it would be the perfect opportunity to kind of share with you what went on at the vision board party, and maybe it can inspire you to do the same thing.
This is at the beginning of the year, January, the best part of the year to me, because you get to start brand new. Goals are so important. You know, sometimes we may be on a path that we didn't ever sit down to say, I want to be there. But the best way to do it is to decide and design your own future. You have financial goals, educational goals, employment goals, business goals, health goals, spiritual goals, relationship goals. Every area of your life is important. So you don't want to set goals for one area and be so focused on that that you forget about everything else that's happening, or you just let it do what it does. And when you do that, you find that you're a more well-rounded person. When you write your goals, it does something and it cements it into your subconscious, and then you should look at them. Not just stick them in the closet, but you should look at your goals from time to time to remind you. And it becomes a part of what you're doing.
Get your friends together, get your magazines, your boards, have some mimosas, whatever it is you like to do when you're with your girls. Put some things down, set some goals, write some things out, and really take actionable steps into what you really want. Here's my vision board. I put, I want to say almost all my goals. Some people do their vision boards just like with a few things, but I put everything, honey. I want to get it all. There's some books I want to read, some material things I want at the bottom. I mean, let's be real, we want some things. Get going, you guys. Get it going. Stop procrastinating. We've probably all done enough procrastinating. Make it happen for yourself. I really hope this is inspiring, and I really hope this makes a difference in somebody's life. Shout out to Lynda Ward. I will post a link at the bottom with her business, so you can see. She's a travel agent. She will hook you up, her and her team. But thank you, Lynda, for letting me post this and being a wonderful host as you always are. There will be more to come from her, and I can't wait to be a part of it. So thanks again. All right, bye guys.